Hello friends, welcome to Technical and Programming AK. In this video, I will show library management system project in csharp.net with source code. You download the source code, link is given in description below. So first of all, open this project in Visual Studio 2015 and then I will show all the forms of this project step by step. Okay, so this project is opened in Visual Studio. So first of all, this is our project structure. This is our project structure. First is the references, second is the classes of our projects, second is the classes, this is the classes files, then controls, this is the control file, this is the data sets, and then the last one is the forms, and this is the report sections. This is the all report section. This is the report sections. Okay, this is the report section. Then this is the forms. This is the first form. This form is the do end form, then do first form. This is the do first form, and then the about section form. This is the about section form. In about section, all information about our application, our library project. Okay, then third form is the adjustment. This is the adjustment form, all category, book number, ISBN, book title. This is the adjustment form of our project. Then our adjustment modify property is here. In adjustment modify, book number is available, ISBN, book title, total quantity, total borrowed, and total available. Okay, this is the book adjustment form. Then next is the form borrowed form. Borrowed books forms. In this form, school year, in this section, book years is available. Book years, book number, book title, all section is available here in data grid. The next form is the borrowed books, borrowers, ignore and continue as. And this form, in this form, data grid view is available. In this data grid view, there are multiple fields. First one is the borrower ID, borrower name. Third one is the course. Fourth one is the date. All other fields is available here. Okay, this is the columns. First one is the borrower ID, second one is the borrower name, third one is the course, borrowed, return. This is the all options is available in borrower history view. Then next is the borrower books history. This is the borrower books history form. In this form, same options is available here. Then the next, borrower new books, ignore and continue. Yes, in this form there are multiple fields is available here. First one is the book number, book title, borrower ID, borrower name, date borrowed, and date due. Next form is the borrower books return the borrowed books. This is the next form is available here. In this form, book number, book title, borrower ID, borrower name, date borrowed, and date due is available in this form here. And the next form is the form borrowers. In these forms, the school year, school level, and here is the data grid view available here. And in this data grid view, borrower ID, borrower name, and street address is available here. There are multiple fields is here. There are borrower ID, full name, street, city, province, zip code, contact, and email. This is the options is available in data grid view. Then the next form is the borrower's modify form. This is the borrower modify form. Ignore and continue. As this is the add new. Okay, this is option is add new, and then there are multiple fields available here. ID, first name, middle name, last name, street address is here, city, town, state, zip code, contact number, email address, course name, and level name is in this form. Next is the borrower view. This is the borrower view form. And the next form is the form books. This is the books forms. In this form, book number, ISBN, name of author, book title. Okay, in this form is available. Next is the books modify form. Modify existing book. Modify the book number, ISBN number, author name, book title, category, year published, date arrived, price, and quantity. You can easily modify. Then the next form is the form books monitoring. In this form, ISBN, book title, and category name, and LIV is available here. The next form is the view books. View the existing books. View the existing books in this form. The next form is the form category of book. Here the category and description is available here. And the next form is the category modify form. In the category modify form is the category name and a description of category is available here. And the next form is the category view. This is the category view form. In the category view form, category and description is available. The next form is the course view. In the course view form, ignore and continue. In the course form, course and description is available here. Next form is the form courses. In the form courses, course name and description is available here. Next form is the form courses modify. In the form courses modify, ignore and continue, course name and description is available here. Then the next form is the form due books. In the form due books is school years, select level, book number, and book title is available here. Then the next form is the form level. In the form level, yes, level of your form and level of our books. The next form is the form level modify. Okay, as in the form level modify, level name and save option is available here. Save option is save, and the cancel option is available in here. And the next form is the level view. In the level view, school year is available here. Is adding a new school year and save in data grid view. And next is the librarian form. In the librarian form, librarian ID, full name and street address of librarian. Okay, and in this data grid view there are multiple options is here. This is the data grid view. In this data grid view, librarian ID, full name of librarian, street address, city, state, zip code. Okay, and then there are multiple options is available here: new, modify, print, search, delete, reload, and cancel is available here. And click on email, then get a email of a librarian. Then the next form is the librarian modify. In the librarian modify form, there are multiple options is here: library ID, first name, middle name, last name, street address, city town, state province, zip code, contact number, email address, and username is available here. The next form is the library setup. In the library setup form, institution name, contact name, street address, town, city, province, zip code, phone number, fax number, email address, and website address is available here. And in this form, there are two buttons: save button and cancel button is available here. The next form is the form log. Login details is available here: librarian ID, username, and login details. The books return form, this is the book returns form: school year, book number, book title, select the level. And next form is the school year form. Ignore and continue. Yes, this is the school year form. Next form is the school year modify form. Ignore and continue. Yes, in the school year, this is the school year form, and save and cancel button is available here. The next form is the school year view. In the school year view, data grid view is available here. Form search, this is the search form view. Search form view, this is the search form view. In search form, enter some text here, login, and search and cancel button is available here. And the next form is the form shortcuts. This is the form shortcut form. This is the shortcut forms available here. This is the shortcut information about our application. The next form is the form viewer. This is the form viewer, as this is the form viewer, and the form zip codes. This is the form zip code. Yes, city, town, state, and zip code is available here. Next form is the codes and modify. This is the codes and modify form. There are multiple options: city, town, provide state, zip code, and save and cancel is here. The next form is the codes. Yes, in the zip codes there are city, town, state, province, zip code is available in data grid view. The lock screen. Next form is the lock screen. In lock screen is username, password, unmask password, and exit and connect is the options, and attempt is the only 3 attempt. Next form is the MDI. This is the MDI. This is the main MDI form of our application. This is the menu strip. In the menu strip, in file section, sign out user and exit. In second, records, borrowers, books. In books, books records, borrower books, due books, return books, books monitoring, and the manage zip code. Next one is the school year, manage category, level records, course records is available here. Next one is the reports. Next one is the report section. In the report section, quick inventory, report, borrower records, borrower fines, book records, borrower books, due books, return books. Next one is the system manager, librarian record, manage profile, and log details. Next one is the tools, calculator, WordPad, Notepad, MS, Paint. Next one is the windows, normal, maximize, minimize, and last one is the help. In the help section, key shortcuts and about of our application. And the next form is the flash screen. In the flash screen, this is the our projector flash screen, and then all the files is the reports file of our application. So this is the library management system design. You download this code, link is given in description below. So I hope you like this project and like this video, and if you new on my channel Technical and Programming AK, so subscribe to my channel and click on bell icon for new videos. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Bye friends, thank you so much.